On today's menu, a simple Chinese side dish you can make today. Stir-fry Gai Lan, or Chinese broccoli.
Lei Hou Ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Stir-fried Gai Lan or Chinese broccoli is something that reminds me of my childhood. This is really easy to make. Gonna start by prepping your Chinese broccoli. Just remove the leaves. Set them aside. I'm just going to trim off a little bit of the stalk.
3 pieces garlic. 1 small piece ginger. 1 tablespoon cane sugar. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Stir. Medium-high heat. Sesame oil. Gai Lan. After about a minute, add your garlic and ginger. Stir fry for about a minute. One cup fresh shiitake mushrooms. Cook for another minute. Gai Lan leaves. Stir fry for about another 2 minutes, then add your sauce. Stir fry until the sauce is evaporated. You can now make this delicious side dish with absolute confidence.
You can make such an incredible stir fry with such little ease. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.